Waitaim. God, me no come along, you perfect today. Me come tired, to soul, me still stop long way. Mind belong me distracted, body belong me weak, but me still like hold him hand belong you. Some days me feel strong, but today me feel down. Plenty battle inside me, no sap it talk out. But you look him heavy, me cut him inside. You look him tears, me hide him long night. Meet me here, Lord, meet me now. No need me strong first somehow. No need all get the fear, ego penis. Right here, Lord, helping me stand still. Quiet him noise inside, long mind belong me. Rouse him fear, doubt, no worry. Fill him despair, space when me feel empty. Stay close, Lord, stop one time me. You look him time me close to give up. You look him war me fight him inside long heart. You look him me walk about my skin me feel dry. You suffer lick fate still stop inside long me. Me no need all get a something it makes sense. Me only need presence belong you. Time life a heavy narrow and no clear. Remind him heart belong me. You stop near. Meet me here, Lord, meet me now. No need me strong first somehow. No need all get the fear, it go penis. Right here, Lord, helping me stand still. Quiet him noise inside, long mind belong me. Rouse him fear, doubt, now worry. Fill him despair, space when me feel empty. Stay close, Lord, stop one time me. Be my fullness, time me feel empty. Be my strength, time me feel weak. Be my direction, time me lose a long way. Be my hope every night and day. Giving me peace, we no sadness. Even time life is hard, not confusing. Giving me faith, we still hold him strong. Even time heart belong me and no got song. Meet me here, Lord, meet me now. Me surrender, me no suffer. How take this lick faith inside along me and turn him into victory. Walk one time along, all get the something. Holding me close along your loving wing. Me still stop, me still believe. In Jesus' name, me receive. Me no stop alone. You stop one time, me no stop alone. You know, you're not losing me. Stay close, Lord, along every fear. Today, me sape, you meet me here.